Hi, my name is Sarah Evangelista, and today I'm going to show you how to solve a rational equation from the honors assignment. I'm going to be working on problem 3, which includes rational expressions and factoring. So the first step we're going to take here is we're going to identify our problems. So the first step to identifying a problem is just reading it out loud. So let's see what it is. It's 2x over x plus 1 plus 3x over x plus 1 equals x squared over x squared plus 2x plus 1. So again, the full equation here is 2x divided by the quantity x plus 1 plus 3x divided by the quantity x plus 1 equals x squared divided by the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1. So let me just move my camera here so you can see the entire thing. But now we're going to identify our goal. So our goal here is to solve for x and check for any extraneous solutions. To solve this, we're going to take 5 very simple steps, which is going to be to combine the like terms on the left-hand side since the denominators are the same, as you can see here. Then we're going to factor the denominator on the right-hand side to see if it's possible, which we'll see soon. And then we're going to eliminate the denominators by multiplying through by the least common denominator. Then we're going to solve the resulting equation, and finally we're going to check for any extraneous solutions that might make a denominator of 0. So step 1 is we can see that both terms on the left have the same denominator of x plus 1. So we can see this here, x plus 1, x plus 1, right? So from this, we're able to see that we can combine these numerators. So 2x plus 3x equals 5x. And then on the right-hand side, we're still left with x squared over x squared plus 2x plus 1. So this was step 1. Step 1 was, as we said, combining our numerators, which we've done here. So step 3 that we're going to be able to do here is now we're going to eliminate the denominators by multiplying both sides of the equation by x plus 1 squared, which we have right here. That's the least common denominator we were able to get from the past slide. So let's do the left hand first. We have x plus 1 squared times 5x over x plus 1. So one factor of x plus 1 cancels out, leaving us with 5x times x plus 1. Then on the right-hand side, we now have x plus 1 squared times x squared over x plus 1 squared cancels out completely, leaving us with just x squared. So now the equation we're left with is 5x parentheses x plus 1 equals x squared. So now on the left-hand side, we're able to distribute. So we're going to get 5x times x equals 5x squared, and 5x times 1 equals 5x. So this now, from here, 5x plus 5x equals x squared. All right. So now we're going to be able to subtract x squared from both sides. So once we do 5x squared minus x squared and then x squared minus x squared, we're going to get 4x squared plus 5x equals 0 because, this canceled out and this left us with 4x squared. So now we're going to factor x. For our fifth step, we're going to factor out x. So we have 5x squared plus 5x equals x squared, and then x parentheses 4x squared plus 5 equals 0. We're going to set each factor equal to 0. So that's x equals squared or 4x plus 5 equals 0. Now we're going to solve the second equation that we're left with. So this is the second equation. This one's already set to 0. So we're going to solve the second equation. So it's 4x equals negative 5, which would then be if we divide this. So we're going to divide this. It's going to be x equals negative 5/4. So the solutions we are left with is x equals 0 and x equals negative 5/4. The final step is we're going to check for extraneous solutions. So the original denominators that we're able to identify here are x plus 1 and x plus 1 squared. So we're going to set x plus 1 equals 0, and then that's going to become x equals negative 1. Because you can just see subtract 1 from both sides, and then you're going to be left with x equals negative 1. So neither x equals 0 nor x equals negative, that's supposed to say negative 5/4 equals negative 1, so both of them are valid. So our final answers are x equals 0 and x equals -5/4. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that this is an accurate demonstration of how to solve this problem with each step labeled and identified easily, and I hope that you've enjoyed your time. Thank you so much.